Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make an easy mousse cake, updated. Start by chilling a bowl and measuring cream, sugar, and gelatin precisely. Use room temperature eggs for smoother texture and whipped cream until soft peaks form. Fold melted chocolate into whipped cream gently to keep airiness. Chill the assembled cake at least 4 hours or overnight for best set and flavor. Serve chilled and slice with a hot knife for clean edges. Gather your ingredients and set them out so everything is at the right temperature. Measure chocolate in grams and cream in cups for consistency. Bloom the gelatin as directed and preheat the oven only if you plan to bake a sponge base. Choose a springform pan for easier removal and line it if using a cookie base. Having everything ready speeds assembly and reduces mistakes during whipping and folding. Start by melting chocolate slowly and cooling it slightly before mixing with eggs or cream. Whip cream to soft peaks and set aside, then fold in cooled chocolate using a gentle motion. If using a sponge base, layer mousse immediately and smooth the top. Tap the pan to remove large air bubbles and cover before chilling. Patience during folding and chilling makes the texture light and reliably creamy for serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.